Belarus has achieved quite significant advances. Belarus has the highest 33rd out of 154 states. The gender-aimed situation is reflected in events of the first National Plan for Human Rights, which was confirmed by the government of the Republic of Belarus in October of 2016. The plan lays out the issue of enshrining the concept of ensuring gender equality in the Republic of Belarus, as well as holding regular work with the mass media on issues of eliminating gender stereotypes and to ensure gender equality. So as to achieve full equality between men and women, in February 2017, the government of Belarus adopted the 5th National Plan of Action to ensure gender equality by 2020. In accordance with this plan, Belarus will continue to improve its national mechanisms to ensure gender policies. Today, in all regions of the country, there are in place functioning expert working groups on issues of ensuring gender policy. Coordinating and monitoring of state policies in the area of ensuring gender equality are implemented by a permanent body, the National Council on Gender Policy, under the Council of Ministers of the Republic of Belarus. One of the main priorities of the plan is ensuring employment of women as one of the main essential elements of economic independence, empowerment, and independence. Events aimed at increasing economic opportunities through new professions that are popular in the workforce, as well as ensuring subsidies to organize employment as entrepreneurs. There's also targeted social assistance and a decrease in the number of jobs that women are not allowed to be employed in. The national government has many guarantees in place for women when they're being brought on to jobs. So it's important to notice increased employment of women. This is something that needs to be put in line with women's access to education and opportunities for permanent empowerment. The government of Belarus has implemented several programs for unemployed women so that they can train for a new job, one that is popular in the workforce. Moreover, women who are on maternity leave up to until the child is 3 years old, they have the opportunity to undertake professional preparation and training programs paid for by the government. Private enterprise being stimulated by the government is yet another important element of increased employment for women. We feel that active support by the government of women is important to improve the economic opportunities for women. The Belarus government is supporting women in opening small businesses. Thus, in 2015, women made up more than a third of those receiving subsidies to open their own businesses. At times, women are the main caregivers for children. Therefore, significant state investment has been made into the system of childcare, which allows more women to enter the workforce. The development of preschools in Belarus has seen significant growth. This is one of the highest levels of children being included in preschools in the CIS countries. The government takes on the costs for this preschool education. This is because families in Belarus are not considered to be a burden. Ensuring the employment of children of women must be continued through appropriate salaries to equalize the level of salaries between men and women in Belarus. There is a gradual increase in payments for employment in those areas where more women are employed: education, healthcare, and social services. However, we must note that if they have the same job and are employed doing the exact same things, then men and women have the same salaries. We're convinced that ensuring women the opportunity to increase their qualifications throughout their entire lives, stimulating employment and entrepreneurship amongst women, equaling income between men and women, as well as state support of families and creating efforts for childcare. These are essential elements